Dreaming of a successful career in real estate? IREED Academy is here to make it happen. Join our career workshop on 25th October and get an exclusive chance to dive into India's booming real estate industry, expected to hit $1 trillion by 2030. We are offering 500 plus job opportunities and 100% placement guarantee. Get trained by top industry experts and leverage our strong alumni network. Colleges like Gosner College, Salla Billa, Nirmala College, Marwari College, Doranda, MET, St. Xavier, RKDF,
DSPMU, Ranchi University,
and Yogara Satsanga University are invited. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Your future in real estate starts here. Interested candidates can enroll using the link provided in the description box below.